Evening everyone. Today is the day that we're going to taste test the Iceland mince pies. I was walking in town the other day with Mum, and in the window there was a big yellow sign that said 12 mince pies for £1.89. So I thought, well, yeah, why not? We'll give it a go. So we bought them. Mum took 6, I've taken 6. So in order to do this taste test, I've obviously got my trusty instrument, my cutting implement. Show you the box. This is the box that was greeted when I walked in the shop. I thought, oh yeah, that's looking good. That's looking very good. The only thing I do have an issue with is this little green sign down the bottom. See that? No palm oil. Well, let me tell you, I don't know what palm oil tastes like, so I don't know whether I'm going to be missing out here or not, or whether I've been had over in the last 35 years of my life. But I'll be honest, I don't really want to know what's not in there. I want to know what's in my pie and what I'm eating. So anyway, here it is. Here is said mince pie with a nice little star on the top. This seems to be a bit of a festive thing going on. But you know, you've got other festivities that you can put on there, like holly or a bell or something. Why have you always got to put a star on there? Don't follow everyone. Be different, people. Be different. I can't be doing with everything the same. Right, anyway, so what we're going to do first is, first of all, we're going to say hello to Natalie, because she is a mince pie tester virgin. So welcome, Natalie. We're going to cut this mince pie. Hopefully it's not going to go everywhere, and as you can probably see, I'm in my kitchen, so we're not going to have any crumbage on the sofa, and we're not going to get any crumbage in my pants, because I'm wearing a bit more than pants today. Anyway, we're going to cut this and see how it falls, shall we? Ooh. Oh dear, oh dear. That was a little bit hard, but the base has fallen off a little bit. Can you see that, off that half? Right, let's show you this one. Got some big raisins in there, or whatever they put in there. I don't know about this, but what we're going to do now is we're going to pick it up with the fork and see if it falls apart, shall we? This is quite crucial, because if it falls apart on the fork, then it's not good, to be fair. It's really not. So let's see how this goes, shall we? It's quite a thick crust, thick pastry actually, look at that. You see that? It's quite thick, and I think there is only a little bit of filling, but because of the depth of the pie, it makes it look full, and the size of the raisins that are in there. So I don't know whether I'm being had over here. I can only feel that I am. This is not good from you, Iceland. I've got to admit, this is not good. Anyway, let's try and pick this pie up without it falling apart, shall we? Well, that didn't work because my fork went straight in, straight through the middle. And that's what's happened. You see that? So I'm going to have to go fingers in. I'm going to have to get some sticky stuff on my fingers. Not that sticky stuff, Bojam. Dirty mind. Anyway, let's go for it, shall we? There's something there. There's something there that is tickling the back of the old taste buds. What could that be? I don't know. Oh, here we go. No, nothing. It doesn't really say anything on there. It actually says it's sprinkled with sugar on the top. I beg to differ about that, I'm afraid. Doesn't look like there's an awful lot of sugar on any of them. Well, I must admit, for 12 mince pies for £1.89, it's good value. It is good value. They are a little bit bigger than the ones I tried previously, so this is always a good start. But I do feel that I'm being had over by the actual filling inside. So I'm going to give Iceland mince pies a 7 5/6. Yeah, that's right, you heard that right. They're okay, they're bigger than the last ones, but smaller than the first lot. You with me? Right. Okay, so yeah, if they were the only mince pies available, I'd get them. I'm sure there's others available. So if you think there's better ones out there, you know what to do, people. Don't tell me that your grandmother makes better ones or that your mum makes better ones, prove it. I don't like hearsay. I want facts. Give me facts, people. I want facts. So, until I hear from you, I'll be buying what I feel appropriate and marking them myself. Who wants to rise to the challenge? Laters.